Hello everybody. This is just a quick video explaining to you how to do the course request form. All students that are going to be here next year and students that are heading home or going to another school are asked to fill out a course request form for next year. It's a time where you choose your classes and you choose your electives. All students take 6 core classes: math, science, reading, English, PE, and social studies. And then they get to choose an elective. So in this course request card, which is a form, you're going to fill out some personal information, give your student's ID number. We're going to select the ELD program, and then you're going to choose the elective for your child. So we've talked about it in class, but I wanted to make a video to send home because the kids have to ask your permission to choose the elective that they chose. So you have to sign off on it at the end. So good luck, have fun. If you have any questions, please let me know. And the forms are due back by February 15th. They can only be completed once. So the kids have a paper copy, we've practiced, but when you do the form, they can only be completed one time. All right, thanks a lot. To get to the CRF form, you need to grab your child's iPad and have your child sign in to their iPad using their APS login. So just open it up, have them log in. Next, they're going to access a Canvas assignment that I've created, and they're going to click to open the form, and you all can fill it out together. This is what the form looks like when you click it open. You're going to need to input some student and parent information. When you see the program selection, choose ELD. Choosing the elective is the really fun part of filling out your CRF card. Students can choose between semester length electives. That means that they will be with that teacher for 1 semester. Then when the semester changes at the end of January, they will get a new class. That is the choice selection for the semester length electives. The other choice is to choose a full year elective. The full year elective meets for the entire year. So all of our kids have 1 block of electives. So that means they can choose 2 semester classes or 1 full year class. This is what the form looks like when you're choosing the elective. But if you think you need more information on what your choices are, check out the video that is linked in the assignment to learn more about your elective choices. And now it's time to submit the form. Make sure that you've looked it over with the parent, that you've double-checked it, and push submit. Good job, everybody. I'm sure you did an amazing job, but if you have any questions, let me or Miss Cordero know, and we can look it over with you. And that's all. Good luck, and talk to you soon. Bye.